Hello, I'm in a 2013 GMC Yukon XL, and today I'm going to show you how to add oil. So first, you want to make sure your hood's open, which it already is, and then we'll go over to the left side here, and you should see this dipstick here. This will be what you pull out, and once you get it all the way out, typically you go in with like a rag, clean all the oil off the end, and then you'll stick it back in all the way, like so. And then you're gonna do all this while the engine's off, just to be clear. And then we'll pull it out again. And then on the end here, if you can get a good sight on it, you're gonna want the oil kind of in the range of at least these few dots here on the bottom. If it's there's barely any on the tip there, you're for sure gonna want to add some oil. But it should be kind of in the range of these 3 or 4 dots. Those dots kind of indicators of different quarts. So I'll stick it back in, and then definitely be doing regular oil changes, especially some of these motors get to higher mileage. They might burn a little bit more oil than you would expect. So good to check these every so often between oil changes. But here is where you'd pour the oil in. So again, make sure your engine's off, but you'll push down slightly and twist. So this will pop right off. And then in here, whether you pour straight from your quart jug or you get a funnel, you'll just fill into here as needed. When you're done, just screw this back on. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want anything else falling in here or this flying off while you're driving. So it's nice and secure. And then I would recommend probably start the truck for like a minute or so just to get this new oil circulating. And then in which case you just do this whole process again, pull up the dipstick and check, wipe it clean, check it, see if it's at a reasonable level now. But otherwise, you want definitely make sure you're doing your regular oil changes. So this car's high enough you wouldn't necessarily have to lift it, but helpful if you lift it up and then go underneath, pull the bottom of the oil pan so it drains out, put a new oil filter in, and then put fresh liquids here in the top. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.